Hello children, today let's start with chapter 10, that is children. So in this chapter I will tell you about its location, history, climate, culture, right? Then what are the important government offices, industries and transport and places of tourist attraction. So get going now. Look at this picture. Can you name the classic dance form shown here? Write your answer in the given below. Here you have to write your answer. You have the famous dance over here, right? Now, as you know that India is Chennai is one of the oldest cities. Chennai is one of the oldest cities of India. Its capital is Tamil Nadu. If we talk about its location where it lies in the southeastern coast of India. It faces the Bay of Bengal. The city has been joined into two parts. Old city, जो आपके वेस्ट में situated है, इसको हम जॉर्ज टाउन कहते हैं, and many big offices are seen in this parts, right? Now, history की अगर हम बात करें, Chennai has been named after a village called Chinnapattam, which is one of the village where the Portuguese trader had come in 16th century. They were followed by Dutch and then the British. The British built fort that is St. George Fort. It was named Madras, capital of Madras Presidency, which was later renamed. बाद में उसका दोबारा नाम रखा गया as the state of Tamil Nadu. Its name changed from Madras to Chennai in 1996 by the state government. If we talk about the climate, ये कहाँ लोकेटेड है? ये आपका सी शोर पे लोकेटेड है, क्लोज टू द इक्वेटर. It is hot and humid throughout the year. The city receives rainfall in June and July and again in winter. If we talk about culture, Tamil is the most widely spoken language in Tamil Nadu. English is also spoken by the many people over here. So, because of the hot and humid climate over here, the people wear cotton clothes and Kanchivaram silk is very popular over here. Woolen clothes are not needed here even during winters. Rice is the staple food of the people. They eat it with the sambar and curd. Idli and dosa, vada, uppam are the some other popular dishes of Tamil Nadu. Right, you can see here all important festival of India are celebrated over here in Chennai. But most important festival that is celebrated is Pongal, which is the harvest festival. ये कब celebrate है? January में. It's a 3 days festival. People worship cow and feed them with a Pongal rice. Carnatic music is very popular. Bharatnatyam, which is the popular dance and it is originated in Tamil Nadu. In the image you have to give the answer. What is it? It is Bharatnatyam. Right? So here some question has been given to you. You have to answer them. The retreating monsoon जो आता है ना वो आपका जो heavy rainfall लेके आता है वो तमिलनाडु की तरफ से है. Then government offices. Since Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu, most of the offices of Tamil Nadu government are located here. Beside the governor, the chief minister and other minister of the Tamil Nadu government also live here. Industries की बात करें, Chennai is a big industrial and trade center. Large number of industries like electrical goods, cotton and silk clothes, motor cars, bicycle, trucks and railway coaches are located here. There is a big oil refinery in Chennai. Similar to Mumbai, Chennai is the center of Tamil film industry. Movies in South Indian language like Tamil, Telugu, Kannada and Malayalam are produced here. And the famous here that is Tollywood. Transport की बात करें, well connected है with all parts of India and major countries of the world throughout the airways, railways and roadways. It has an international airport called Chennai International Airport also, railway station also, which is called Chennai Central Station. Places of tourist attraction like Rajaji Hall, Fort St. George Church, Gandhi Mandapam. So there are many places of tourist attraction here. There is a beach, VCP Golden Beach, which is lovely site for children. यहाँ पे बहुत सारे swings, toy train, number of rides देखने को मिलेगी. And Marina Beach, which is the longest beach in India, has a great attraction of the city. ये आपका 6 kilometer long है. And here you will find what? Your Fort St. George over here. Radhaji Hall, Chipok Palace, which is Chennai Museum, Gandhi Mandapam and Snake Park and Art Gallery. These are the famous tourist attraction over here. The famous religious places are, you will see that Rath Temple, Shore Temple. Where they are located? They are located in Mahabalipuram and in Chennai. Kapleshwar, it's also a temple. Vadapai Temple, St. Thomas, that is its mount, and thousands light mosque. They are important religious places over there. Pari Corner, Burma Bazaar and Kondi Bazaar. These are the famous market of Chennai. right? If we talk about the snake part, here you will see the hundred of species of snake that are kept for the visitor. Here the quick revision 2 has been given to you. You have to answer them. Now our chapter have been completed. Hope you understood each and everything about Chennai. Thank you for learning with me. Keep enjoying. Now we'll meet in the next class.